Hello everyone! In this video, I will guide you through the process of signing up for the Amazon Affiliate Program, which allows you to promote products and earn commissions. This program is designed for content creators, bloggers, website owners, and social media influencers who want to monetize their platforms by recommending products available on Amazon. By joining the program, you will receive a unique affiliate link for each product you choose to promote. Whenever someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you will earn a commission based on the sale. I will take you through the entire sign-up process step by step, ensuring that you understand each requirement and how to complete the necessary forms. You will learn how to create your Amazon Associates account, provide the required information, and set up your payment details to receive your earnings. Additionally, I will show you how to generate your affiliate links and share them effectively to maximize your potential earnings. By the end of this tutorial, you will have everything you need to get started with the Amazon Affiliate Program and begin earning commissions by promoting products. First, go to Google and search for Amazon Associates. Click on the first result. This will take you to the Amazon Associates page where you can sign up. If you are signing up for the US Amazon program, use Amazon.com. If you want to promote products in another country, search for that country's Amazon Associates program separately and sign up there. Once you arrive on the sign up page, locate and click the Sign Up button to begin the registration process. You will be required to provide some personal details. Start by entering your full name, ensuring that it matches any official documents you may need for verification. Next, input your residential address, including street name, city, state, and postal code. After that, enter a valid phone number, which may be used for verification or account recovery purposes. Once you have filled in these details accurately, click the Next button to proceed to the following step of the registration process. Amazon will now request links to your website or social media profiles to verify your online presence. If you have a YouTube channel, you can use it as your primary link. However, ensure that your channel has some content uploaded, as an empty or inactive channel may not be accepted. To proceed, open your YouTube channel, copy the URL, and paste it into the designated website section on Amazon. After entering the link, click the Add button to submit it. Additionally, you have the option to include other social media accounts, such as Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or Twitter. Before adding them, make sure these accounts contain relevant content and have some level of audience engagement or followers. Providing well-maintained social media links increases the likelihood of your application being approved. Next, Amazon will present a question asking whether any of your traffic sources are specifically directed at children under the age of 13. Carefully review the question and select the option labeled No to indicate that your content is not intended for children. After making your selection, proceed by confirming your choice to move forward with the application process. Now, it's time to choose your preferred Associate Store ID. This unique identifier will be included in your affiliate links, helping to brand your referral links with a recognizable name. Ideally, you should enter something relevant to your brand, website, or channel name to make it easily identifiable. Next, provide a brief description of your content. This should explain the type of content you create and how it relates to the products you intend to promote. Be concise but specific, as this information helps Amazon understand your niche and how you plan to use the affiliate program. After that, select the category that best represents your content. Amazon provides several options, so choose the one that aligns most closely with your niche or industry. This step helps Amazon categorize your application and recommend relevant products. You will also need to indicate how you learned about the Amazon Associates program. Select the option that best describes where you discovered it, whether through a website, social media, an online search, or another source. Before proceeding, complete the CAPTCHA verification to confirm that you are a real user. Then, carefully review the terms and conditions of the Amazon Associates program. Once you have read and agreed to the terms, click the Finish button to complete the setup process. You will now see a confirmation message indicating that your application has been successfully submitted. Amazon will begin reviewing your application, and once approved, you will be able to start promoting products and earning commissions. However, if you do not generate any qualifying sales within 180 days, your account will be withdrawn from the program. Additionally, you have the option to enter your tax information immediately to ensure a smooth payment process, or you can choose to complete this step at a later time. Once you have successfully logged into the Amazon Associates dashboard, you will gain access to a variety of tools designed to help you create and manage your affiliate links. The first step in this process is to enable SiteStripe, a built-in feature that makes it easy to generate affiliate links directly from Amazon's website while you browse. To enable SiteStripe, navigate to the top menu of your Amazon Associates dashboard and locate the Tools section. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu, then select SiteStripe. On the SiteStripe settings page, ensure that the feature is turned on. Once activated, SiteStripe will appear as a thin toolbar at the top of any Amazon product page when you're logged into your Amazon Associates account. This toolbar allows you to quickly create text links, image links, and even share affiliate links on social media with just a few clicks. By using SiteStripe, you can streamline the process of generating and sharing affiliate links without needing to manually retrieve them from your dashboard. This feature is especially useful for affiliate marketers who frequently recommend products and want a fast and efficient way to obtain their unique tracking links. Now, open your web browser and go to Amazon's website. In the search bar at the top of the page, type the name of the product you want to promote. This could be any item that aligns with your niche or audience's interests. Once you find the product that you want to recommend, click on its listing to open the product details page. At the top of the product page, you will see the SiteStripe bar, a tool provided by Amazon for affiliates. This bar allows you to generate different types of affiliate links. You can choose from a text link, an image link, or a combination of both, depending on how you want to present the product to your audience. Next, select your Amazon Associate Store ID from the available options. If you want a cleaner and more shareable link, you can generate a shortened version of the link directly through SiteStripe. After generating the link, copy it to your clipboard. Now, you can use this affiliate link across different platforms to drive traffic and earn commissions. You might include it in your website's blog posts, YouTube video descriptions, social media posts, or even in email newsletters. By strategically placing this link where your audience is most active, you increase the chances of generating affiliate sales. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you will receive a commission for the sale. To see how this works and to follow along with the process, be sure to check the link provided in the description. Additionally, if you're interested in trying out Sell the Trend, click the link in the description to start a 14-day free trial. This gives you the opportunity to explore the platform and see if it's a good fit for your needs without any commitment.